This video, I'll be showing you how you can send money with Zelle on your TD Bank application or your account. First is we have to head to our browser and go to the official TD Bank website and then enter or log in to our online banking account. Once done, you have to head to the transfer section of your online banking. And here we have to tap in send money with Zelle. Here you have to click the send option and then we have to create a new contact if this is a new recipient. So click it and then we have to enter the details of this new contact, which are their first name and last name. Now you have an option to choose where to send the money. Either it's an email address, a US mobile phone number, or their bank account. Then enter the contact email or the mobile phone of the account recipient. Now, once done, click the Save New Contact Information and a simple reminder that you should only send to the people you trust. Now, click the Continue here and then enter the amount that you want to send to this person. And then you can select a delivery option, either it's a one-time thing or a recurring option. Now, enter or you should choose the account where you want to take the money, either it's your savings account or your secondary account. And once done, just click the review here and then review the information of the recipient, and you can add an optional message if you want and then click the send here. And this is again a simple note that you should only send to the people that you fully trust. Now once done, click the checkbox here and then click the send. Now review the information and click the all done here, and that's it. That's how you can send money with Zelle using your TD Bank, and thank you for listening.